cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free. We don't want those phthalates. Definitely not. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be telling you guys a little about this really cool subscription box called PINCHme. 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 What's it called? PINCHme. Yeah, so basically it's a totally free online service where if you sign up, you get to try lifestyle products from all different big brands, and all you gotta do is tell them what you think. Just give a little feedback, and like that's it. This is a 100% free service. That means you don't have to put your credit card info in. You don't have to like just pay for shipping. It's not one of those weird like scammy services where you like have to be nervous. When they say free, they mean free. Nice little peace of mind there. Speaking of free, I just want to put it out there, I'm not getting paid to tell you guys about this. Basically, they sent me this box to review for you guys, and I agreed because I thought you would be into it. I mean, like, all these subscription boxes out there seem really cool, but like I haven't gotten into it because it just gets so expensive. So when I heard about this literally 100% free box, I'm like, I think my little ByStephieNics fam would be into that. So that's where we're at today. So let's dive a little deeper. What's actually in this beautiful little box that you get? So unlike a lot of the other subscription boxes, this is a little less like targeted. It's not like just makeup. This has got beauty products, personal care items, healthy snacks, stuff for babies, stuff for pets, and just like a whole bunch of other lifestyle product categories you could think of that I clearly can't right now. But there's a good range is basically what I'm saying. So now I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the type of stuff that you might get in yours. And then after, stick around, I'll tell you how to sign up, all the details, so you can get in on this. Yeah, let's do it. Let's unbox this box. First of all, it's cute. This is the bottom. They have their little PINCHme branding and their socials over there. And then the top had a really nice logo, but if you could see, has a nice cut across the whole thing because I don't know how to open packages. Okay, let's just like ignore that and move on. Open it up, let's take a little look inside, and oh shoot. I was gonna say stuff with products, but now one less. Okay, let's actually grab that one. It wants to be talked about. So this is a sample of the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask, and it's funny because I've actually really wanted to try this, but I didn't want to like buy the full-size one in the store in case I didn't like it, so it's kind of like the purpose of this box. You get to like try different things without like spending your money, so it's cool. It's cool. I appreciate it. Thank you, PINCHme. You know what you're doing. So yeah, this is just a single-use mask, and I'm excited to use it. Next, we've got this little bag right here of Folger's Trailblazer Medium Dark Roast Coffee. It's actually a pretty good sized pack of ground coffee. Usually I just stick to my Dunkin' lattes, but you know, this is cool. I get to like branch out, try something different. Yeah, pretty cool. Next. Okay, and then next we've got this cute little deodorant from Native. I've seen like tons of ads for Native online. It's supposed to be like natural and work really well, and the scent they gave is coconut and vanilla, so yes, good all around. That's really cool. So another product that I've really wanted to try that now I get to try for free. So thanks, PINCHme. I'm gonna be saying that a lot, so let's get used to it. Okay, next, what do we got? Ooh, so this is a dietary supplement. Yeah, so we've got a nice little range going. So this is from Sundown Naturals, and it's a multi and daily immune support vitamin, I guess. Just reading a little on the back, it says like no gluten, no wheat, no milk, no lactose, no like 50 other things on that list. It says it has like an herbal blend of something, I don't know. Sounds really natural and good for you, so we'll see. And you get 60 of them. That's a lot. That's not like a small sample. This will last you. Okay, cool. And what is this? Ooh, yes. This is the Garnier Fructis Avocado Mask. Okay, what do they say? It's a smoothing 1-minute hair mask with avocado extract. And I have seen this online so much. I'm gonna say this for all of it. Like, it's these products that I've wanted to try, but it's like, am I really gonna go spend money on a full product when I don't even know if I'm gonna like it? Like, that's just wasteful. So, I'm actually really excited for this. Say it with me, everyone. Thank you, PINCHme. Thank you. Okay, next up, we've got a protein bar. Nice and healthy. So this is a pure protein bar, and the flavor is chewy chocolate chip. Yes, they know what I like. Okay, so, oh, again, gluten-free. Nice, nice. Has 31 grams of protein, which I'm pretty sure is a lot. And yeah, it's a nice size bar, bigger than my head. Yeah, so I've had different like bars from other companies, but it's always cool to try another one. Maybe find a new favorite. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Ooh. I'm excited about this one. Pretty recognizable. This is the Moroccanoil Treatment. I've used this before. I can tell you guys this is a great, great product. Really super conditioning for your hair. And this is a good brand, so pretty cool they're including that in the box. Next, not even sure what this is. Let's read. Let's do some reading. Oh, it's a Dr. Dennis Gross. That's a big skincare brand. Okay. So this is the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Oh, it's like an acid peel. I've never tried that. So it comes with 3 treatments. That's nice. It says it helps smooth fine lines, minimizes the look of pores, and improves the appearance of uneven tone and texture. We're digging it. That's so cool. Okay. Definitely gonna try that. Okay, next. This is the RX Nut Butter. My sister's obsessed with this brand. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so this is almond butter, and is it 9 grams of protein. This little box is really gonna up my protein, isn't it? Oh, this is awesome. So fun. Okay, cool. Little RX almond butter. Next, okay, this is an interesting one. This is blister cushions for when you're wearing like heels or shoes that are like rubbing like the back of your ankle. That happens to me a lot. Okay, this is gonna be great. It's from the brand Compeed. I don't know, I've never heard of it, but it comes with 5 cushions and they look like they're like skin tone, so they won't show. Oh my God, this isn't like a normal blister cushion. Like you put it on and it like forms a seal, and then for the next few days you have protection from blisters and like rubbing shoes. That is sick. I didn't even know this type of product existed. Okay, I'm so excited about this one. Awesome. Okay, it looks like we have 2 more products left. One more little food product. So, there's a whole bunch of them. There's 4, but I'll show you one. It's Ricola Herbal Immunity honey flavored little like throat drops. That's so cute. I never really like throat drops that are lemon flavored. I don't know, I just have something against it. So honey might be really nice, like just like soothing. Cool. Thank you, PINCHme. A little catchphrase of the video. Okay, one more product. Yes, this is from Eva NYC and it's another hair product, which is great. We love hair products. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Those are really good oils. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so basically you spray it into your hair before you blow dry it, heat style it, whatever. It's gonna strengthen your hair, reduce frizz, heat protection. I love a product that has heat protection in it. This is really cool. Okay, I'm definitely using that. And again, it has like a lot in here. It's a whole fluid ounce. So this is gonna last you a good little while. You'll be able to use it a whole bunch of times. And yeah, that's really exciting. So that was the box. And confetti. We can't forget the confetti. Yeah, so that was a look at the type of products that you'd be getting if you sign up for PINCHme. And you might now be wondering, how do I sign up? And I've got the info for you, so sit back and let me inform you. So there are 3 simple steps to sign up to get to your very own PINCHme box. Step number 1, go to PINCHme.com and sign up. You'll be able to fill out a profile and a whole bunch of surveys, and basically by doing that, you're telling PINCHme more about you so that they can send you products that are gonna be good for you. So yeah, just fill out all the stuff. Step number 2, I gotta fill you in on something called Sample Tuesday. So basically, the second Tuesday of every month is PINCHme's Sample Tuesday, and that's when you get the opportunity to like receive these samples. You're not gonna be able to get samples every month just because that's like crazy. They have, I think, almost like 5 million members at this point. So the way that they pick who gets samples, it's based on your profile, like what you kind of said you're into, and then you gotta go actually claim the samples on Sample Tuesday. It's like a first come, first serve thing, so it's a rush. 12 noon Eastern time, you rush, you go, you click all the samples. It's fun. It just like adds to the whole excitement of the whole thing. You don't get it one month, you try again the next month. I mean, there's only like a limited amount of samples that they have, so they can't actually send out like 5 million boxes, but do all the surveys, go claim the samples on Sample Tuesday, and you have a good shot of getting a box for yourself. And then step number 3, if you were lucky and you got a box, you just gotta give your feedback on it. Basically like what I did right now where I talked about each product and I told you a little about it, that's what you gotta do. You just gotta like fill out something and tell them what you think about it. It's like you get to be me for a day. How fun is that? Yeah. So if you're interested in PINCHme, and I really don't know why you wouldn't be, I mean, free stuff, what's to say no to. Right below this video, if you scroll down, I'm gonna have a link where you can click it and sign up straight through there. I'm not making any money or anything off this link. It's basically just to show PINCHme that you guys are into it. So if you're gonna sign up, just make sure you do it through there. And yeah, I think that's kind of it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about the PINCHme box. I mean, I think it's awesome. Do you guys agree? I actually really want to know, what was your favorite sample from the box? Mine was, let me see what my favorite was. Difficult to choose, but okay, I'm probably gonna go with the L'Oreal Clay Mask. If you guys have watched my winter skincare routine, which I'll link right there, you know how obsessed with masks I am, so gotta give it to the mask. Yeah, but let me know down in the comments what your favorite sample was, what you think about all this, and of course, if you enjoyed, leave me a big ol' like. If you wanna keep hanging out with me and never miss a video, you gotta hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to it. And yeah, this was a really fun one. I feel like this is just such a cool product, and I was so happy to tell you guys about it. So we call sharing the fun. And yeah, I'm feeling so cheery. Anyway, I'm gonna run. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support as always. And as always, this was ByStephieNics.